Hi, have you ever opened an app you used for years and found out it wasn't there anymore? That's exactly what happened to millions of people with Skype. For years, it was how they stayed close to their kids, their grandkids, old friends across the country. Then one day, it was gone. If you've been sitting there thinking, what am I supposed to do now? You are not alone. And this is not something you did wrong. Today, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to start video calling again, even if you're not very comfortable with technology. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where Skype went and exactly what I recommend using instead. Hi, I'm Pauline. I'm 64 years old, and I created Modern Life Made Easier because life keeps changing, and I wanted a place where adults 50 and over could find a simple, practical help without feeling overwhelmed. I believe getting older shouldn't mean getting left behind. Every week, I share easy to follow tips and tools to make modern life just a little easier. So let's get started. If Skype was your favorite way to stay connected, you're not alone. Millions of people used it for years. Microsoft officially retired Skype in 2025. And here's something worth saying out loud. This isn't just you. It happened to everyone all at once. So if you felt caught off guard, that's completely normal. The good news, you don't have to stop video calling. There are actually several excellent choices available today. Microsoft wants you to move over to Teams, and that's one option. But today, I'm going to show you the one I think is easiest for most family, WhatsApp. There are a lot of video calling apps. So why I recommend WhatsApp? Because it's simple. It works on iPhone, it works on Android phones, it's free to download and free to use. Here's something that matters if you're watching a budget as well. WhatsApp calls over Wi-Fi or your data plan, not your phone minutes. So a long call with your grandkids won't cost you extra. Your calls are also protected with something called end-to-end encryption. That's just a fancy way of saying your conversation stays private between you and the person you're calling. And best of all, everyone uses the same app. No worrying about whether your daughter has an iPhone and your son has an Android. WhatsApp works the same way for everyone. You can even get more than one family member on the phone call. So your whole family could join in one video call together, like a virtual family dinner. Let's install it together. Step one, open the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Play Store if you're using Android. Step two, search for WhatsApp. Step three, tap install. Step four, open it. Step five, type in your phone number. Step six, enter the verification code they texted you. That's it. You're ready. One thing to know, WhatsApp asks permission to access your contact. So go ahead and tap allow. This is safe. It lets WhatsApp find family members who are already saved on your phone. Don't worry, if this feels like a lot right now, you only have to do this once. After today, opening WhatsApp will feel just as easy as making any regular phone call. Adding your family. The easiest way is to simply have your child or grandchild text you first. If they're already saving your contacts, they'll automatically show up inside WhatsApp. You don't have to do anything extra. Don't see them? Don't worry. Just tap the pencil or new chat and type in their name or phone number. One common mix up. Make sure the phone number in your contacts includes the area code. If a call or message won't go through, that's usually why. Once you find them, just tap their name to open the conversation, making your first call. Now, for the fun part. Open your grandchild's conversation, look in the upper right-hand corner, see that little camera icon? Tap it. That's it. If you see your screen go black or you don't see yourself, don't panic. That usually just means WhatsApp needs permission to use your camera. Go to your phone setting, find WhatsApp, and make sure camera and microphone are both turned on. Then try again. When they answer, you'll see their smiling face. And trust me, seeing someone smile is a whole lot better than just hearing their voice. That's really what this technology is all about, helping us stay close to the people we love, even when miles get in the way. If any of this feels confusing once you're actually doing it, don't worry. I wrote every one of these steps down in a free guide, along with what to do if something doesn't work. And I'll show you exactly where to get it in a minute. What if you love Skype? You may be wondering, what about all my Skype contacts? Good news. Microsoft moved Skype users to Microsoft Teams. If you sign into Teams with your old Skype account, your contact and chat history may already be there waiting for you. So if you have family or friends who still use Teams, that's another perfectly good option. I recommend WhatsApp mainly because it's easier when everyone has different kinds of phone. Team works better on a computer, but these days most of us are using our phones instead. If everyone in your family uses Apple device, FaceTime works great. If your family uses Google, Google Meets is another excellent choice. And if privacy is especially important to you, Signal is worth looking at. The important thing isn't which app you choose, it's staying connected with the people you love. So today we learned Skype has been retired, Microsoft Teams is its official replacement, WhatsApp is my favorite recommendation because it's simple and works on almost every phone. You also know what to do if your camera doesn't turn on and how to add family members who aren't showing up yet. Most importantly, you now know how to start your very first video call. If you like a simple guide you can keep right beside your phone, I created a free PDF called Stay Connected with Family, a simple video calling guide for adults 50 and over. Inside, you'll find step-by-step instruction for WhatsApp, Teams, FaceTime, Google Meet, troubleshooting tips, and some common questions. The link is right below this video. If this video helped you, I really appreciate it if you subscribe. If there's another piece of technology that has been driving you crazy, leave me a comment. It just might become my next video. Until next time, let's make modern life a little easier.